Do you have someone in your business as your partner who knows marketing and you know the skill very well? Yeah, that can happen because maybe you are a contractor. Maybe you are the guy who are very experienced with some sort of works. Maybe you are an AC technician or you can do the roofing very well. You are a flooring sector legend, but you don't know how to do marketing. You rely on your partner, and that is a disaster for your personal growth because it can happen that your partners get out of the business, or sometimes both of you cannot rely on the partnership. Maybe you get separated from the business and you need to start by your own. You need to get your own clients. But what can happen? All the leads that your partner has, you don't have those, and those people are the personal connection of your partner, not yours. So you would be fallen into a big trap just not knowing how to market your service. Yeah, you are a great expert, you are a big shot in the industry you are working on, but if you cannot acquire new clients and you don't have that skill set to do so, you would be in big trouble, and you have to avoid that. So start learning marketing from now on, and from today spend maybe 20 to 30 minutes YouTube videos learning marketing. That would very much help you, and there are plenty of contents. You can just search on YouTube. If you are a local business provider, just search marketing for local service provider or something like that. And you can also be very specific about your search. You can search by villa cleaning service marketing or something like that. If you do villa cleaning, if you do kitchen cleaning, you can search for that. If you provide carpentry service, you just search marketing tips for carpentry service, and there will be plenty of content you can dig on and you can watch whenever you can. Maybe you are on a move, you can just plug in your headphone and just listen to the tips and tricks from the experts in marketing, and you can get a very handful of knowledge to develop yourself and your business later on. So don't rely on something and someone solely based on the roles you currently have. Just plan for the future, plan smartly, and of course invest in a good website, because having a good website will be very much worthy of your investment in a long run, because the leads will be coming through the website and it will not be owned by anyone personally. So that's a big thing. If you need any sort of help, just visit passivecoder.com and book a free consultancy via Google Meet. I would like to meet you there, and that is absolutely free. You don't need to worry about anything about paying me for that free consultancy. So that's all for today, and see you on the next video. Thank you.